Here at Waltons, all of our playhouses are EN71 certified to ensure hours of fun within a safe environment for your children. Each element of our playhouses are designed carefully to minimise any and all risks with the aim to create an enjoyable play space. Every playhouse has a minimum 12mm finger gap around the frame of the door. This is to prevent any trapped fingers around all sides. This feature can be found on the entire playhouse range. All playhouses, which are on our platform or include an internal second level, have a safety rail, so your children can play and have fun on a whole other level. All our stairs have grip cut into the wood, meaning they should remain non-slippy and easily climbable. To have a constant airflow, we have placed vent holes which can be found on either side of the playhouse. Each of our playhouses are designed using rounded wood for the corner braces, to reduce splinters and ensure a structurally safe playing environment. And finally, all of our playhouse range has 100% shatterproof styrene windows as standard, a much safer alternative to traditional glass glazing.